Hello, my dear friends. If you are using MacBook Pro, that is the Apple operating system iOS, then this video is going to be very helpful for your daily uses of your laptop or the MacBook operating system. Okay, because in this video I'm going to discuss some tips and tricks, the shortcut methods or the hidden command. We can say that the hidden command that we are not knowing in your daily life. So please be connected with this video. I am Ranjay and you are watching Techno Ranjay channel. So firstly I would request you to please subscribe our channel for latest updates and news. So let's go and check the steps. Hello, now I'm on the computer, that is the MacBook Pro, and the first one is dock setting. Dock, dock is the bottom side that contain the application. It is in the stand-alone side. We will make it in the magnifying animated way. So firstly go to system preference, click on the system preference, and this is the first, second, third one is the dock. Click on the dock, and when you click, there is various option. It is showing size, magnification, position on screen, and this. Okay, and just click on the magnification, and now you go to the dock and it will become in a magnifying animated setting. Okay, this look better than the standalone. And there is also other setting in the dock is left, bottom, right. You can shift this dock in the left side, right side, or the bottom. It is in the bottom, so click on the left, it came in the left side, and now click on the right, it came on the right side. So this look better. Okay, this is the first. Now come to the second one. Second one is when you write something on the Apple, it will say that the written things on the. Let's go and check. One command, just note it down: command plus space for searching. Command plus space for searching. Write terminal. Okay, click on the terminal, and now write what I'm going to writing. Just write say hello, welcome to no RANJAY channel, please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Now click enter. Whatever you want to type, just type, write it, say. After your this line say and what you want the Apple to say, just click and just enter it.
Hello, welcome to Techno RANJAY channel. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thanks a lot.
See what a beautiful settings in Apple that everyone. Let's go and check the fun, something fun. We want to say something. Oh she.
Hi, hello, hello, bye.
Okay, this is the very good technique that is for your fun. You want to see Apple to what you have written. This is the second command. Now the third method is to how you control emojis with commands. Okay, So just command the method, that is the three command control is command plus control plus space. Emoji will automatically appear on your screen. This is the command control plus space bar. Okay, for example, you are writing something. For example, you are writing something hello and you need a emojis. Just control command and space in right and just click it, how it look better. Okay, one is how you can take a screenshot on our Apple laptop. The command for screenshot, taking screenshot means the whole screen and the particular part you want to. Two methods, that is the command shift plus 3. Just click on the command shift plus 3 and it will be appear on the screenshot and saved on your documents. Okay, desktop, sorry. And this is the whole screen, this is the screenshot of whole of your computer screen. Okay, now I just want to take this apple as a screenshot. Okay, so just click command shift plus 4. When you click command shift plus 4, then it come this, and now just click with your mouse and take a screenshot of this. Okay, I want this much amount to be the screenshot. Now here the two method, that is command shift plus 3 and command shift plus 4. 4 is for a particular reason. Now the fifth one is how you can take a signature, taking signature then saving. It's very easy on the Apple laptop. How? Just see, just open the preview, open preview, any pic or anything on the preview in the Apple, and just go to this, click on this option, and now here it is showing the signature one, trackpad camera signature. Click here to begin. Now just hand your on your trackpad and take a signature. This I have taken the signature. Click any of the key of your keyboard and it is saying saved. How it is easy. People go in the cyber cafe or other thing, take a tag pad, click on the signature and then it's saved. Then take a photos in the pen drive, then save. And in Apple, just how it is easy it is. This is the method, this is the very good one. Okay, so these methods are, now you can take a you just give a command and it will open, will Siri, Apple MacBook will open your application. Let's see how. Just go to the upper part, that is the Siri, click on this, open apps. Now I'm saying open apps, open apps.
What app shall I open?
Keynotes,
I don't see an app called Keynotes.
open Keynotes.
You could try searching the App Store.
Open Keynotes.
Here's what I found.
Here Keynotes has in open. What a method it is. So all these are the different tricks and methods of the Apple that you have seen in this video, how it has and now I'm going to last one is how you can rename your screenshots on the desktop. For example, you just click this screenshot, take a command, click on the command 2134. Okay, and right click it, right click. When you right click it, here rename 4 items. Now I want to rename it picture 1 2 3 4. Okay, in one way. Okay, now I write it picture and start number from 1, that is starting will from 1. You can take it from 0 also or 7 also, whatever. I am taking from 1, and now click on the rename. Here are the different format: add text, replace text. If you want to replace text, then click on the format. Total format will change. Now click on the rename. Okay, now you will be picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. One setting also, just go rename, and before name or after name, I want that 1 2 3 4 will come after name. Click on this rename. Now picture 1, picture 2, picture 3 and picture 4. What a beautiful. Now you just want one single document to rename. Just click on this and command plus enter or command plus return. Click command plus enter or return and just type pick. This is the command plus enter. Okay, so how is this video, friends? If you like this video, please put a like and share, or please and don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching.